Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Foodie Finds. Today, I took my pals Joe and Shane to Buddy's Pizza. This is where we go to get pizza sometimes, and do we like it, do we not? Keep watching this thing to find out, because we're going to tell you what we thought about this wonderful food. Might have been a little bit of a spoiler. Oopsies.
Let me try raw first.
Don't double dip.
It has a nice texture. It's not as sweet as I remember it being, but it's still pretty good. Like, they have a nice garlic butter with Parmesan and stuff like that.
No, it's a fat one. I'm gonna try this with the marinara. It's alright.
Alright, time to go in. Here I go, digging in again. I feel like it's about what you'd expect from like a breadstick at a pizza place.
Yeah.
It's like, is it good? Yeah, it's good. But
You're not really coming here for the breadstick.
no, this is just like a little appetizer thing.
Yeah.
I'll get the marinara sauce after a second. I'm just gonna have to finish this. Right side up. This one's a little toastier, it looks like, but go in there. I think I like it better.
I'll try it raw.
I'm getting more of the sauce than I am the cheese. But, it's good. This is the Detroit Public TV. So that has, the Detroit, cheese blend, as opposed to just the brick cheese, which is, standard. Oh, man. Oh, mama.
I don't know if I want to bite into this just yet, but I'm gonna try it. Oh gosh, look at all that cheese. Ooh, there's like no sauce in that bite, but it's basically just more cheese bread. That was good. I like it. Just for a baseline cheese pizza, it's one of the better ones out there, I think. Nice crispy crust, nice. Maybe a little bit too much cheese, but can't really complain about that.
One thing that's interesting about this cheese is that it's able to be like kind of like a mozzarella type cheese, where it's like very mild, but when it caramelizes on the pan, it somehow gets like a more cheddar flavor. So it's interesting how it's like a kind of like a hybrid of the two. It's very good.
All right, we're in like Flynn here. So you gotta, first of all, you gotta cut the cheese so you don't get, the whole string element of it. And yet, watch this. You're still getting that.
Yep.
But it's not as bad. Now, there was really no... What am I even doing right now? Okay. Here I go, digging in again. Now, that's just a classic Buddy's. I don't know how to describe it. It's just great. If you've been to Buddy's, you know what you're getting. If you haven't been to Buddy's, just come here and have a bite of this food. It's very cool. We all had a great Buddy's experience, and I think you will too if you also decide to go. So that is a strong recommendation from the three of us, and I can tell you, it is wonderful. Though, I have heard that it is best if you stick with the pizza and don't get fancy, unless you're getting something like a salad, or maybe the Buddy bread that we also got. But the pizza is top of the line, so thanks for watching, guys.